Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can optimize your WordPress website for fast speed and performance. So let me log in into my WordPress website by adding /wp-admin and then let me click on login button. So in this video we are going to use a free WordPress plugin to optimize WordPress website. Just you can go here in WordPress free plugin library, and here you can find out thousands of free plugins. You can search for Autoptimize. So make sure that you have added correct spelling. Then scroll down. Here you can see 1 million plus active installations with 4.9 star ratings. Just you can install it and then activate. So guys, plugin is activated. Now scroll down and here you can click on the settings. You can also go in the settings from here, then scroll down and here you can see you can check optimize JavaScript code, then scroll down. You can also check optimize CSS code. So by default it is selected, so that's good. Then scroll down, optimize HTML code, it is also selected. So after that click here images, then scroll down and here you can see image lazy loading. You can enable or disable. Then click here extra, scroll down and you can select this one, third option, then scroll down and after that click here save changes. Then again scroll down. You can get premium version of this software. You can go here and click here clear CSS and JS cache. So it's done. Now you can go and check your website speed. So let me use GT matrix to check website speed. Now I can simply copy website link. Let me scroll down and add here, then click on the button analyze. So guys, if you want to check your website speed, you can use this platform gtmetrics.com and within few seconds you will get a complete website report and performance. And it will also detect website speed issues so that you can easily fix and increase your website speed. Here you can see that's fine. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.